find me an MLA locksmith in Broxbourne? And there it is, you came up first.
Oh, nice.
Listed as, meaning they've been vetted, inspected and qualified and recommended to use for emergency and domestic locksmiths. My font was quite
Oh, I think I've done the battery. Was it?
yeah, because I'm like, how do I know whether it's
A legitimate locksmith or somebody's going to scam you.
exactly.
Yeah, because there's so many.
It comes up with all the
So many scammers out there now.
yeah.
So ChatGPT thinks I'm an honest man.
Yeah, I said, yeah, what safety measures do I need to consider in letting a tradesman into my home off the internet? It comes up with all this stuff. Get a clear price, call them. All I do is check your ID.
Oh, that's a dodgy one then.
And it says, ask for accreditation, MLA approved,
Yeah,
DBS, CRB check,
yeah, that all comes with the MLA.
confirm pricing up front,
Yeah,
use a card if possible. I didn't ask you about your payment terms.
yeah, I can take card.
And then it said, so I said, can you find me an MLA locksmith in Broxbourne? And there it is, you came up first.
Oh, nice.
Listed as, meaning they've been vetted, inspected and qualified and recommended to use for emergency and domestic locksmiths.
That's good. Cool. This is a little bit.
To internet? Okay, this looks this looks legit. And you came in cheaper.
Yeah. I was going to say, I thought I came in cheap because you stated the price. And I thought, oh, obviously she's had a lot of quotes and she's been a bit stupid. People always do that when they get a good price.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
They quote you
Yeah, just to be sure. Okay, did I hear that wrong?
Yeah, because you can get some. I mean, I had one. I used to live in East London, so I started thinking that I was going to be loyal to this locksmith that helped me out over there.
But to come out over here is a bit expensive.
So yeah, he came out over here, but I think I like.
You're like, how much?
Yeah, it was literally. Well, you probably wouldn't have yelled this. You wouldn't have. That's going to be an extra 60. That's going to be.
Oh, really? Extra this, extra that.
Yeah.
Tell you what, I'm going to try some of this. I think like this is a little bit of an awkward one. But actually, let's give it a.
And it was a bit temperamental before. So
Oh, was it this way you say about changing it?
yeah, even when I'd locked it, it wouldn't lock. So she's off find really strange that I hadn't locked it and it's locked. But
Oh, it's a little button on the inside though. If you get it wrong, it can sometimes. Can you remember which way you turned it?
No. I didn't even think it was turned. I was surprised that.
No, what it is, have a little button inside and that's what will lock it. These picks a little bit big for these. Come on. Yeah, here we go.
Yay!
That's it.
We're in, girls.
So we have to go to school tomorrow. Well, that's just great.
You're hoping to get out of school, are you?
Yeah, they love the fact that all my car keys and everything was in the room and.
Oh, that's what they're relying on. You can't get.
That means we won't be able to.
Alright, clever kids. You just see it's actually in there. Oh yeah, there's a position where you can use the key. Right. There we go.
Should I show you, see the other lock?
Yeah.
Is
Yeah, compatible. Yeah. No worries. Hey, have you got it down there? Have you?
it's in the. It's
I was in the room.
Surprise, like my whole life is in there.
Right. Okay. No worries. Let me pack this up, and I'll get out of your way. Right.
So where